What's up, guys? Corey here once again with GNCRC, and today I'm going to do another unboxing with my unboxing knife from Blade City. Make sure you guys go over and check the link below for Blade City. Get your official unboxing knife. You guys may have seen this done more than once, but I'm going to go ahead and do mine because I got a few extra things in mind for as I know. All right, so you guys know I had the non-production model, which was the prototype. This is the production model, minus a few things in here. So minus that receiver by SCX24, and nice, I got the, I guess you say, beer bottle opener. That's probably not gonna come with all of them. A few of them that was in the pack. This build I'm doing the SCX24 mount as well. We got the servo horn as well. SCX24 stickers, of course. We got the BEC. I think this is the 8.4. We got some little Mazz swag in here. Nice. And then we have the chassis rails. Really neatly put in here. Really nice presentation. And he even includes the alcohol wipes, so when you take the, once you take the rails off, if there's any residue from the sticker on there, you can take that right off. And in here, we're gonna have, get this open. You have your sliders and all your other mounts and everything. So I actually got two of these in here because I'm going to use one of these on my prototype. We have the magnets and everything that you need to get this thing built. So yeah, guys, I want to show you this really nice presentation of the Mazz cheat code. Stay tuned for this build. I'm going to do a pretty detailed build showing you guys everything that I'm going to do and the way I'm going to set it up. We got more parts on the way, so stay tuned. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.